Good day, beautiful people. How are you? I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. Just today, we're gonna do a very simple, very easy recipe. We're gonna do today bath bombs. Bath bombs is so simple and so easy to do. And guys, remember, everything what I do, I like everything straightforward, simple, easy technique, which doesn't require a lot of ingredients to do. So today we're gonna make bath bombs. In bath bombs you can put your favorite essential oils, you can put your favorite dry flowers, dry herbs, you can put some colorants, and it does work. And after you take this bath bomb into your bath, it leaves your skin so soft and smooth, and it smells very nice, and it's good for your skin. So let's go and make these bath bombs.
Okay, so what I have in here, I will do today in these two silicone molds. They are like a cupcake silicone molds. So for these two silicone molds, I have in here 80 grams of baking soda, which I'm gonna pour in the bowl. Then I have 40 grams of citric acid. Simple ingredients. Then I have in here dry rosemary, which I'm gonna just put in here. And this is a wheatgrass. I'm putting the wheatgrass just to give this nice green color. If you don't have, you can put any of your other dye or something else, literally. I'm just putting my wheatgrass in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the glove and we'll mix all of this ingredients in the bowl. So I'm mixing all my dry ingredients in the bowl. No, that's good. I love the color. It's nice light green color, as you see. I'm mixing, and now I'm adding sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, it's very good for your skin, as I have mentioned before in my videos. It has antibacterial properties, it's non-greasy, it doesn't clog your skin pores, and it leaves your skin nice and smooth. Okay, very good. Just a little bit. I had in here about 10 grams of sweet almond oil. And now I'm gonna add my essential oils, which I'm using here. My essential oils: eucalyptus, lemongrass, and rosemary. Recently, I just literally fall in love with the rosemary because I do live on the beautiful island of Mallorca, and because rosemary is Mediterranean herb, you can find rosemary anywhere, and it grows literally anywhere. So, okay, I'm gonna add about like 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus, it's very warming, it has antiseptic properties, it relieves the pain, it tones and balances the skin, and improves concentration. Very nice. Now I will add lemongrass. I will add about 10 drops of the lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil, it's very refreshing. It stimulates your body and mind. I really love lemongrass essential oil. I love to make my room spray with lemongrass essential oil. So I literally just put about like 10-20 drops of lemongrass essential oil, and I'm adding water to it. And I love the smell of the lemongrass essential oil in my room. I always spray it in the morning, so during the day. It's so refreshing, and it literally cleans the room. So, okay, I love it, I love it. And I will add my rosemary essential oil now. So rosemary, I will add about 10 as well, rosemary. I love rosemary. Rosemary essential oil, it's very good for your skin. It does tones and cleans the skin. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, and it improves your body circulation. And as well, it's known as it relieves the pain because it has anti-inflammatory properties. Very nice. Oh, amazing color. Yeah, good. So now, okay, it's still, as you see, it's still kind of powdery. So what else you're gonna need? You're gonna need some little bottle of spray. You can have a water if you want, but I in here have my Rosemary Hydrosol, which I made myself. How to make your own hydrosol, you can check my video, which I have done last week. So what I'm gonna do now, I just gonna spray a bit of my Rosemary Hydrosol. Okay, till I will get the shape, you know. Okay, I'm almost getting it. I'm just gonna play a little bit, not too much, till I will get a form. Yes, I am getting it. Okay, perfect. That's it. So I want to check. Very nice smell, yes. And I just gonna transfer everything into the cupcakes. It's so easy, so simple to do, guys. I used to buy bomb baths from the supermarkets, you know, one bath bomb, you know, it depends of the brand. It could cost from 2 euros to up to 4, 5 euros or even more. And this, look, it's you making everything yourself, you know, like, and it literally takes a couple minutes to do it. And all these ingredients you have at home, you know, and you can mix it up. You can do your lavender, you know, you can do anything you want, you know. And what you need, you know, probably everyone has the baking soda at home. What you need only citric acid. That's it. Okay, I got messy as always. That's fine. Okay, so I'm just pushing it stronger inside here, and that's it. What I will do next now, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for minimum 1 hour and let it to set it. So I'm gonna bring it now into the fridge and I see you in 1 hour. Hi guys, so I'm back. So I have them here. I love the smell, it's so amazing. I love this eucalyptus, rosemary, lemongrass smell. And it's here. Lovely and nice. I can feel it's still a bit of wet. So if you take it out of the fridge and you feel it's still a bit of wet, so just take out of your silicone mold and just leave it aside to get the air a bit. And what we're gonna do, because this is the one I have done before and it was wet as well, and now it's very dry. You see, it changed the color a bit. So yeah, take it out, leave it out, and it's very tough now, very hard, and it's ready to go in the bath now. Well, so I'm in my bathtub and I'm just gonna place it in the bath. And look, it's dissolving so nicely. Amazing, all the dry rosemary. Straight away I can smell the scent of freshness. Oh, I love it. Amazing. Lovely, nice green color. I can feel the oiliness from essential oil on my skin straight away. Very nice. Okay guys, I see you next week, and I'm not gonna waste this. I'm going to take my bath. See ya.